What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to replace a cabin air filter in your Lexus RX330. Alright, so first you're going to open your glove box. There's two clips right here. And what you're going to simply do is pull these out. You pull them and you can twist them to lock in place. Once you do that, you have two little tabs right here. Push those in. Pull this out. This is your dirty filter, okay? This one's seen better days, right? The direction arrows on your filter need to be pointing down, all right? So the dirty side has to be always up. So the direction flow is pointing down. So just take this out, okay? So the direction of flow should be the direction of the arrows. So in this case, the arrow should be pointing up on this one, even though it doesn't show it. So this will be facing down, like this. So the writing has to be upside down. So just put it like this. Just pop it in. Okay. So again, the writing has to be backwards on mine. So that if you had arrows, they're going to be pointing down. Okay. So once you do that, reinsert. Back in. Make sure these snap. When you get back over here, once you get back over here, just pop those into place. Make sure they're secure, and you're ready to go. Like I said, I have the link below to this filter if you want to pick one up. It helps support my channel for future videos. I want to thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Peace out.